Yo, welcome back everybody. This is Henry with Guns, Games, and Gadgets channel. And today, I got me a unboxing again. This is a Walther P22 long rifle. So, let's get this started. And here it is, guys. This is what it looked like. The mags are loaded up, but nothing in the pistol itself. Let me double check it real quick. Show on camera. Boom. Nothing's in the chamber. It's on safety. It's a 22 long rifle. Basically, I got this because I have a crap ton of 22. So, this is basically just gonna be a little unboxing. I will be doing a review, an actual review, and a disassembly and all that stuff. A range day, obviously, on this little guy. It comes with, you know, your instruction manual, another, this is a back, in case you got bigger hands. Comes with a wrench and I think some more sights and two mags and the cool looking box. That's all you get. But yeah, this is a pretty good purchase. I got it brand new, obviously, but I just hate when you first get new guns. You know how oily and how, like, I don't know what kind of oil they use in the factory, but I don't like it, so I will take it apart and clean it myself and do another, you know, disassembly video on it. And a range day video as well, so look out for that. But yeah, this is what I've been up to, trying to get me another pistol, 22 long rifle. But guys, well, I've also heard some pros and cons about the handgun as well. So, we're going to do pros and cons in my range day video, see what type of ammo it cycles and what it doesn't. I have all kinds of 22 long rifle ammo, so we will look into that on range day. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or anything like that, leave them below. If you have one, tell me about it. Oh, I forgot to leave something out. It has a ambi slide release right there, both sides. So that's the cool thing about it. I like that. So, and the grip is pretty good. It's texture, I like that too. So yeah, that about sums it up, guys. Let me see what else I got to say about this little gun. It's light. It's rather light. It's hammer striker, or hammer gun, or whatever you call it. See that little oil right there? I need to get that off. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this stuff off, and I'm gonna disassemble the gun. This is what she look like. And yeah, I'm gonna take her to the range. That's what the sights look like. That look good too. This is your regular white dot. It's not night sights or whatnot. But yeah, boom, get some. But guys, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I got more on the way. If you're new, please subscribe. I hope you guys stay safe. Be aware of your surroundings. And as always, have a nice day.